Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Focus Pro, and let me share with you how to update the system, how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection. It is required, and you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. However, I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. Then we can enter the settings. Let's tap on them, and here scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Now let's tap on System Update, which is at the top, and here your device will check for the updates. Let's give all the permissions it needs. It is checking for the updates, and basically you can meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where your software is up to date and there's nothing to download, and the second scenario is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the information about it. It will show you also the information about what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to simply tap on download or install, and your device will apply the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.